Кафе Ханой. Вьетнаме, как сказали. Вьетнамская культура. Вьетнамский фильм. Романтика. Картинки. И девушки. Здрасте. Hello.
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Hello. I'm very glad to see you. Tell me please, what does it? Where is it? What kind of city is it? If you're from Vietnam, you have to know, yeah? You must know. Yeah. Vietnam. Vietnam is so beautiful country, yeah?
Yes.
Beautiful country. You born in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Tell me about Vietnam, please. If you know.
Da Nang.
You know.
Yeah. It's very.
It's a river, yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Very beautiful country in Vietnam.
Oh, and also yacht, yeah? Yacht, very beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Vika.
Vika?
Yeah.
You from Vietnam?
Yeah.
Very good. From where you know English? In Vietnam, is a school teaching English?
I don't know English. I don't speak English. I know Russian.
You speak in English. You are saying that I don't know English. So you know
Yeah, I'm
English.
speaking German.
German.
Yeah.
What are you doing in Russia? In Russia, what are you doing?
I'm studying.
You studying? You're a
Yeah.
student?
Yeah.
What kind of?
Pharmacy.
Wow, I'm very glad to see you. My name is Parviz. I'm from channel in Samboy TV, Ekaterinburg. You can see our video in channel of Samboy TV, Ekaterinburg.
What's it?
Samboy, солнечный парень, Екатеринбург.
Солнечный парень Екатеринбург.
Yeah, wow. See you.